Boom shakalaka, a massive breakout for Bitcoin. Why the biggest trade right now is about to bust. Also, the S&P about to shock everyone as insiders stop selling shares. And some very interesting Bitcoin fractals that could lead to a massive price rally. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have some very interesting charts. We're going to get into all of it. Before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter to check out all these charts for yourself at the Crypto Love. Push the like button. And let's get started today. Out of extreme fear into regular fear. The last time this happened, the entire market went up from roughly $19,000 to $23,000, $24,000. So we could be in for up to a 25% rally the last time, if we would repeat what happened last time we broke from extreme fear to regular fear. Now today, the overall market up 0.5%, Bitcoin at $23.99, Ethereum at $13.80, BNB at $2.97, XRP 49 cents, Cardano 43 cents, Solana $34, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if we take a look, Bitcoin has broken out of a historic downtrend that we had since the very top back in November. We've been following this closely, and if we zoom in, we can see over the past 2 days, it has broken out of there. Not only that, but right now, Bitcoin, the new candle, is actually resting on the $20,000 price support. This could be very good because that was previous all-time highs for Bitcoin, could be support for new Bitcoin movements. Now, not only that, we also have an Inception-style double bottom inside of a larger double bottom right here. The first confirmation point, if Bitcoin can break out from this area, the first confirmation point is 22.8. The second confirmation point is 25.2. Both of those levels would be great buy areas for Bitcoin because oftentimes with double bottoms, they can lead to very serious price pumps. Now, the biggest trade right now, I found in trading, and I'm no expert by any means, but I found in trading, when you're on the side of the majority, you're pretty much almost always wrong in any trade. And if we take a look at the most crowded trade right now, long US dollar remains the most crowded trade in September of 2022. Everybody is betting on the US dollar continuing its rampage. But if we take a look at this chart right here, we did have a nice strong parabolic run up to the top in this trend where we've been. Also, we have a top on the RSI, which historically has always marked tops in DXY, and we see the candle starting to pull back. DXY might have found a top at this stage. If it's confirmed, we might have relief for risk on assets. But there's something even bigger happening. This is actually shocking. Okay, the last 2 days have left bears stunned. S&P rate of change has spiked up to levels only seen 3 other times since 2015. All of them were followed by strong rallies. When we take a look at the rate of change, as we've seen, massive rate of change spike. The last time, look at the rally that ensued. This was the COVID bottom. The time before that, look at the rally that ensued. The time before that, look at the rally that ensued. The only other times we have seen rates of change this big were followed by massive rallies in the S&P. As a matter of fact, we've entered a unique stage in the market for only the 18th time since 1929. The percent of sub-industry groups down 20% or more has exceeded 75%. The 6 to 12 month outlook with this is exceptional with double-digit returns. Not only that, but this is a very, very interesting chart. Like I said in the beginning, when you're on the side of the majority, pretty much always wrong. If we take a look right now, retail traders put buying soared. That means retail traders are betting on the market crashing. They're buying options to buy at a lower price. Meanwhile, corporate insider selling plummeted. We can see this here. Corporate insiders have stopped selling shares. This happened previously at times right before massive rallies in the S&P. Maybe they know something that retail traders don't. Well, that's pretty huge. Right now, though, Bitcoin's volatility has been a little bit different than stocks. Potentially big move coming for Bitcoin. As we can see, the volatility spiking for S&P, for Bitcoin pretty much staying very, very similar to where it is. Which brings us to this chart. Break of a major downtrend. What I was showing you in the beginning with this chart right here. break of a major downtrend for Bitcoin. If you just follow the trend is your friend. Once the downtrend is broken, well, what comes after that? An uptrend. Which brings us to this chart right here. Titans of Crypto was posting this about a month ago. It looks like it's finally happening. We have a descending wedge right here with a breakout on the RSI as well. Well, same thing, descending wedge with the breakout just happening and a breakout on RSI. Look at the massive rally. I don't even want to remind you, this was from $3,000 to $70,000 that Bitcoin went the last time. As a matter of fact, looking at Bitcoin on a quarterly chart, we can see pretty much the same thing has happened all these times. First candle is bleeding, second candle is depression, third candle is recovery. It's about a year-long recovery cycle, has happened time and time again, and it looks like it is happening right now. October could be starting the recovery candle. We could see big things in October. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin's monthly MACD falls to 0. Only 2 times historically has this happened. When this happened historically, it was the beginning of the rally starting. So that could be very, very good news for Bitcoin, the beginning of the rally starting. And on an even larger time frame, the 6-month BOP has reached record lows. This is the balance of power. This only happened one time before in Bitcoin's history. It did not happen here in 2019. It actually, last time it happened was when Bitcoin price went from $100 to $20,000. That was the last time it happened. Well, we're seeing that happen once again, where the Bitcoin balance of power has reached historic record low levels. The last time we saw a massive bull run, we could have the same exact pattern ensuing. So there's a lot going on that might shock a lot of people, a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Everybody's thinking for a huge market crash. This could lead up for even bigger gains than anyone possibly expects. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.